The story our president about Sasha, she was saying it is symbolic of the more than 20,000 Ukrainian children who have been unlawfully deported or forcibly transferred. Removing children from their parents and their homes, taking them to a foreign country for adoption or into ideological camps is practice associated with imperialism and totalitarian repression we know from the past. It is a crime that touches us all, regardless of geography or politics, a potential war crime currently investigated by the International Criminal Court. And this is not just a Ukrainian or European issue. It is a crime which merits a stronger and collective international response. To get more children like Sasha back, we need to further strengthen verification and tracing mechanisms. A pilot tracing mechanism launched by Ukraine last September has already established the location of more than 1,300 of the 20,000 kidnapped children. We are happy to see this mechanism become permanent. I applaud all those who are helping to bring those children back. Each organised return demands careful planning and a tailor-made approach. Every additional contribution to the organisations carrying these returns translates directly into more children brought home. But physical return is not the end point. These children often suffer from severe psychological trauma. They need care and a strong child protection system. This is why the European Commission is providing almost €50 million to support Ukraine's child protection system. Every returned child should have access to timely, child-centred and community-based support. We are also supporting Ukraine in building digital capacities that allow victims of Russia's actions to submit claims to the register of damage. There can be no lasting peace without justice and accountability. I thank you all for being here today. We are gathered representatives from 63 countries and for joining forces and putting in place a roadmap to bring these children back and offer them the future they deserve. We all together should do this.
Thank you, dear Marta.